That's Harry's Panekuku. Africa.
That's your Harry Panekuk.
Panekukos.
Straight, ne?
Yes, please, yeah. Tena kana mo.
Cafe fast food.
What? Come make what I know.
Yeah. These guys are serious.
And then what's the way to be? What's all of
them? Jamaican.
I know my brother. I know my brother. I know, Rastafari.
Where are we? Straight?
Yeah, we're going straight. Waterfalls. Mupudi. Mupudi no nahi Mupudi.
Mupudi Lodge, yes.
Mupudi ne?
Yes.
It was one of
you said, oh, Mupudi ke that arawani na le ku lugare. Nora wera something like that. Oh no, it was in our basket.
Oh, it was in our basket.
Let's go about.
Mo gaskeni mo wena o reng batla go ba bona le betsa teng aya. Ito bona make it longer than this. Are we go to window ring first? Do you want us to go to window first? Yeah, there we can go, baby. Yeah, video. Go, baby. Yeah, video. As we go in, we can go in.
Right.
Come on, go to window. Go to window. Because it's near, ne?
Yeah, there's in Silverberg.
Leather the gorge.
Leather gorge, yeah.
Because the more healthy, ne?
This is nice.
Lovely.
Pinnacle.
Pinnacle God's window. Yes, I got that love. It's in a
Sapa grip. Ada lainnya langsung. Kamu pagi
Yes. They're going to do the new ones. I want to do one body in sections. What do you want? They're being in sections. Let's see what's on them, but readily at a certain swing air. See? Told you those little but I work on it.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
Let's on there not far, so I think we can come back there. But that one is nearer to where we are. Look the pinnacle. The pinnacle one. So we can do it tomorrow. Happy Maria. That's a good question. Bona Berlin Falls. There's also Berlin Falls. Yeah, restrictive. Yes, there's also Berlin Falls. We can come back. For all time's sake.
What about back in the Makai? What is this?
Sundays are for road trips. Sundays are for road trips.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Are we adding?
Indeed.
Yeah.
Indeed.
We adding road trips, ne?
with soothing companion.
With a soothing companion. Yeah. At the back, eh?
Yeah. Freddie Jackson. What?
Freddie Jackson.
Freddie. Thank you, Freddie.
Thank you, Freddie.
Yeah.
I wanted to see you when you kiss the teacher. So what happened when you kissed the teacher?
I always wanted to play a guitar.
Yeah.
But I am on four lines, so it's simple. And even a trumpet.
Is it?
Yeah.
Mpumalanga, it's already green.
Clean. Graskop.
Uma, shwe papi, uma, shwe.
Okay, slag.
Times are about the limo. We must pay them. We must give them what they need.
7 to 5 o'clock, okay.
Umuntu nomuntu wakhe. Umuntu nomuntu wakhe. What? Oh, entering tari. Reshebile mo. Damn. Renar mo guy, we are there. We are here. We are here. Bo. We are here.
Oh, we are here.
We are here. You are here. So we're gonna go Retoyasa. Mama, it's not far.
Is it walking distance or is it?
Bona Retoke.
Yeah.
Fitile Mage.
Let's go.
Mama, then Retozenam. God's window. Mama. Zomnyakazi sumailele. Oh, that. Elaya. Those guys.
Some good windows. Wow. Bourke's flower. How do you pronounce that word?
Backslack potholes.
Bakla.
Backslack.
Backslack.
Yeah.
Can you pronounce it on?
What's it?
Arichi per nyaka wena re butse gore ba di pronounce bya.
Backslack potholes.
Oh, ba re backslack.
Oh, Backslack.
Oh, okay.
What Bourke's like?
Umuntu wamuntu. Takama. Look at that chunk. Look at that hanka. Papi, let me give them something. Ini kan ranta kamu mana kamu nanti pakai ranta.
That's your book. Again, the book's like pots. The book's like pots all.
The backslack.
Okay. On says here so. Silly. Potholes. We are here.
You know what I want? I want to see the marijuana.
Now she's going in. This is going in. Hey.
Careful on the rocks because they are a little bit slippery.
get a mulana?
Yeah. Di important mama so.
Yeah. Oh, that. Oh, well.
On va voir de là, c'est des fois que les couleurs sont différentes. Sarah, you repeat what you don't go over that side.
We are here.
Yeah.
Three sisters.
No, like, okay.
We are here. Three sisters. Yeah.
Like this, Siri. A little Siri, I like this one.
Yeah.
Super bon.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, I think it's better. We are here.
Is it?
Oh yeah, Tom. Hello.
Very rondavels. We are here in Mpumalanga. How's the season? You see, guys, we are here. This is so nice. This is so lovely. Okay, give me triplets. Where can I? How many triplets? How many twin? Okay, twin plus one.
I have another +1.
Oh, 2 plus 1. Okay, so great. That's so nice. That's nice.
iPhone 16 don't.
Okay. This is 3 rondavels. 3 sisters. Hello there.
Hello. Are you on lunch?
Yes.
Hey, Bobby. Kana, how do we access that viewpoint? Is there another?
At the dam.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can have the meso.
Honamo.
Yeah.
Mo trailing.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Zonzila bona lelena. We are here, 3 rondavels. What do you think?
Beautiful.
We are here.
Sila. Okay, thank you. Mari. So re walka, re tsamaya fela mo trailing fela ne? Okay.
You just follow the trail. It always got that other view.
Yeah, okay, but that
Okay.
one, yeah.
Now, how about the boat cruise?
Road
Boat cruise equals Swatini. It's in
Do not go beyond
This
this point. Blade River Canyon Nature Reserve. So.
No, qui è Blind River Canyon.
formato da questo fiume che è Dry River e da quel fiume là che è Sloric River.
Ja? Wat lager?
Come vedete c'è poca acqua visto che si vedono le spiagge. Allora le spiaggette sono indicative del fatto che c'è poca acqua.
Oh, that's why Uri.
Di solito quando le spiagge non ci sono. E comunque non è, ce n'è ancora di acqua, perché ho visto che le spiagge che ce l'ha arriva anche il doppio, tre volte. Naturalmente questa qui è una diga che è stata iniziata a costruire
So,
nel
yeah, guys.
1982. Ok? Infatti là la vedete la diga, non è che si
Insa.
vede molto bene, ma si vede. È lunga,
Oh, that
larga
view.
241 metri, profonda
ok.
71.
Okay.
Come?
Okay, you know something.
La diga.
Wait, ukra airling.
Ma il Mpumalanga non era un posto di tanto stupido, sapeva che in situazioni inedite sarebbero saliti per salire. Quindi hanno riversato su di loro tutti i massi che avevano raccolto, li seguirono fino a valle.
Come onare wadino con
Ovviamente ci furono anche gente che si salvò.
Axel. Pwede lang mo. Kinapusa. Ito na ko. Abutar. Sabar na ito. Wala ka pa.
You are here, ne? Guys, you are here. You are here. Alright.
No ways. No ways. Ba't maya kay?
This is a boundary, Mos.
Wana mo dinod ko. Horror weekend kan.
Was it recording? It's a Samaya.
Wa ka ba tu mo yar harisa.
Yeah. That's again, that's the pinnacle rock, the standalone. Oh, that's true.
It is huge, né? And Okaravale is tekile. So this was just done by God. Nobody else. No.
This is amazing.
It is. It is.
This point will be also nice, you know. But it's very far down, eh?
I can see. But now.